live from the command center JW Solar USA. Guys, look what I did. I went for treasure hunt and this is what I found. And like I was saying, I'm busy picking up all these goodies from other people's retirement or other people um, trash. And you found treasure. I found a number 2 AWG is a THNN cable, which I got from a very nice or beautiful person that sold me this wire. And we came from Lake Elmo. We're in Minnesota here, and I bought this cable. Other one is like 120 feet, the other was 90. You can see 75 to 90 feet, and he said this is approximation to 85 to 105 was 120 feet cable. Here are the specs here. Look at it. Okay, read it. Is a Hager, HARGER, number 2 AWG, sun resistance, a THW2, 90 degrees Celsius, which is a 600 volt. You know, the camera just don't want to do what it's supposed to. There you go. Now you got it. So, from an older gentleman, it's really good. And look at the strands. Look at this pure copper. This is not like a flex that you can use for batteries. You can still use it like a short ones or something. It's not just no bending it. It's not just easy, but it's not too bad. I can bend it, but this is beautiful. So this is for my projects and like bringing power into the house, or maybe from the inverters, setting it for a long run. If I can send over 100 feet or something with a number 2 wire, man, that's gonna be a less resistance on the wire or lose power, but I'm not losing. This is just awesome, and I really thank God for this older gentleman that helped me with this. And so a lot of beautiful people in Minnesota. We have very great people, nice people, but every state has their own thing. They would say that about their own community as well. I'm just grateful and thankful to my community or for my state. And we love people here in Minnesota. We love people, and I hope the same way people think about us. But you know, you can say something for yourself or for your community. I cannot beat the price. See, I pay $130 just for these two fellow right here. $130. Give me an awesome deal. You can't believe I was gonna come. I said, yeah, I'm going to the cities, and we went to the farmers market and got some stuff that we never had before. I'm so busy lately, I can't even able to grow some stuff, and maybe this sticker will help you. See, and this is 2023. It's not too far, not too long ago, the 8th month, the 3rd, and 1435.03 hours when it was shipped. You know, if one of my videos, if you watch about conductors or cable, and I did make a videos. Sometimes I went back and get some solar cable from one installer, then they rip off a one old solar farm because the mice invaded the wire, because they don't bury the wires, they just drop them on the floor or whatever on the casing there, where what I meant is the racks, since they do a ground mount, and this is what they normally do. I found some thing here. I think they're coming out from the case. Well, anyway, guys, I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful to God for His provision, for His direction, leading me to this direction of finding it. And in my state, I just have to drive to go there. And I found some good stuff too. I was gonna show you guys, very awesome things. Well, I think I'm gonna be making video on my good findings here. It might help somebody, or inspire somebody or motivate somebody to do exactly what I'm doing. These are all things that people don't want anymore. Yesterday I picked up somewhere in Northfield, Minnesota, and I got wires for house, like a 10-2, then I have a 12, then I have a 14 gauge. This older gentleman just removed most of the other stuff again. I paid him for $150 for wires. No, I need all these wires because this is what we do for solar, and for our project overseas, our off-grid home, which is, I'm going to be bringing you videos soon, and stay tuned. I made a channel for that, and we're going to be introducing that soon as the projects go. It's going to be our retirement home. Well, anyway, guys, if anytime you want to come over Africa, you're welcome, because you're going to have a blast. You can enjoy nature, Mother Nature, animals. It's just trees and nice, especially getting to the ocean. See, there's Atlantic Ocean, beautiful beach is really cool. You can see miles and miles of sand. It's white and just, it's beautiful. You can go all the way. So we'll show you as time goes on. While we are on the construction, it's hard for me to bring you some videos. Like, I'm not the one doing the construction right now, and it's going there. Well, I got some feeds, but I have to make sure I get them all the way set up the way they should be. The channel's already created, and guys, and this conductor is just amazing. Is a lot of strands on this thing. I can count them. It's awesome. Thanks for watching, guys, and this is my video for the weekend. And we have a lot of conductor in here, a lot of copper. Not bad, even if it's not like exactly what he said that's supposed to be there. I'll still take it. Because these are not cheap at all. Alright, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned to the channel. Love you guys all. Bye for now.